Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Windows Subsystem for Linux on Windows Server 2022 or 2025. First, log into your Windows Server. Open Server Manager from the Start menu. In Server Manager, click Manage and select Add Roles and Features. Next, proceed to the Features section. Continue to check Windows Subsystem for Linux. Click Next, then click Install and wait for the process to complete. After that, restart your server if prompted. Next, open your browser and visit the WSL Distribution Packages website. Download your preferred Linux distribution. Then, open File Explorer and locate the downloaded file. Double-click the install file to begin. Wait for the installation to finish. You can see an error screen like the following. This error occurs because the installation is running inside a VPS or Hyper-V virtual machine. To fix this error, open Windows PowerShell and run the following command. This ensures that all newly installed distributions use WSL 1, which is compatible with Hyper-V VPS without nested virtualization. Now, reopen the Linux installation file. Next, create your username and password when prompted. Finally, you now have a fully functional Linux shell running under WSL 1.